Hi, good morning. As you know, in the last video, we ran out of gas. Jen has cooked so much for New Year's Eve. We ran out of gas, so I'm gonna go and get a new bottle and some other stuff, and then we go back home and do some work. So now go away. Still terrible weather. It wasn't raining at home, it's just around here. My friend Robert wished us a happy new year, and he brought something here. He cooked some ham. We're not telling you how he did it. It's a secret, is it? Yeah. It's delicious, delicious ham. A ham cooked with smoked bacon, and is that marmalade or something?
No, what I put on top after that, I put honey. And
the onion. Again. Okay, yeah.
And
yum.
With pineapple juice. That's delicious. 3 kilos de jambon.
Je peux pas me permettre. Live for lunch. It's beautiful. I'm not sure we're going to do anything today. New Year. Relax, yeah. Still a lot of work to do. I haven't got anything. I don't feel like working. I'm going to do something for the puppies because they start pissing on the veranda. It's not good for the timber. So I'm going to make up something and then we'll put them in the carport. Let's do that. That will give me some room to work in the veranda. I got my workbench, everything there, and with the puppy in the middle, with the puppy on the way, no good. I'll see if I can do something and put them in the carport for now. Let's see what we got here under the house. Okay, I got this. This is high enough. Okay, we can put the puppy in there now for now. At least for a month or so. Maybe 2. They won't be able to get over that. We'll keep an eye anyway. Done. The next thing I have to do now is to get that door a bit higher. Just temporary for now, because I know Lily's boyfriend, the father of the puppy, he can jump that. I saw him jumping that and come in here. So all I've got at the moment, I just put this one. I will put a proper door later on, but for now I gotta put this just to prevent that dog jumping in, and we never know. Okay, temporary, that's it. I don't think I will jump that high, but we'll take the measurement. Maybe Friday, Saturday, go to Dipolog, we buy a door and put a proper door there. Yeah, we'll see. I don't think I'll be able to get out from there for now. This girl, what are you doing on the floor, my love? Huh? With your beautiful shoes? Your Sunday shoes? No, don't stop. Keep working. Okay, good morning. Let's do some work today, but before that we need to clean the veranda. It's a real mess. And I have to wash the floor too. Okay, ready now to do some more hard work. Let's have a look at the stuff I bought the other day. Okay, we got one of those. I'm not sure where we're gonna put this. I got no idea, but I'll have to install somewhere. Easy for Bella to go and empty the whole bottle. Okay, another bulb, 24 watts. They're not cheap, they're just under 400 peso. Manifold valve for the tank, 466 peso. You know, price gone up a lot in here. I just bought myself a little spirit level, just for small job. I had one, but I don't know what he wants. Now, this is good. This is good. When you see that you got termite coming, you use this. You can put in a little bottle, spray bottle, mix with water, spray in the hole. That will kill any termite. All right. And this is 150 peso only. I know there's not much in there, but you know, wood borer, cockroach, bedbug, anything alive. I bought it just in case. I haven't seen anything yet here in this house. I know there's more. There's another one more powerful, but they ran out, so I couldn't buy that. As for more painting, more screw. This is very handy screw. They didn't have this in City Hardware for 3 months. 150 peso for 100 screw. This for the door, so I can finish the door, and I'm gonna finish today because I only got a few screws holding the door. Choke line rail. I was thinking maybe to do the line up from the wall before tiling. Just put a mark somewhere in the middle, so we start from there and everything's straight. And then towards the corner we can cut whatever to shoot. So I was thinking to buy this and use this. So we may do that later today. We'll see if we got time. This for Hardy Flex, excellent on timber or even metal stud, perfect. Don't know what this is. Oh, okay. That's more fitting for the water to get. Oh, that's for Lily. That's for Lily. Yeah, more fitting for the pump. Yeah, this is to cut the vinyl tile. So I bought a new one with spare, and it's short, and that's what I want. I don't want something too long, and 220 peso. This is good. And I bought this one in case this one doesn't work well. I will use this one, the Stanley. What they call here, they call homemade. Anyway, so I hope it's good. Now I bought this to run between the tank and the pump, just to protect the pump impeller of heavy water and things. And this is what's the price on that? No, they give me the wrong. They give me the wrong filter. This is too small. This is before the top, 5 micron. I only need maybe 100 micron or something to stop debris, mud and things. I don't know. We'll have a try, but I think this is too small. This is okay. After the pump, I might put one of those. So, price of the filter should be here somewhere. Oh, filter cartridge, 130. The water bottle stand is 300 pesos, so that's okay. But the problem is where we're going to put it. Okay, this one is 855 pesos. Just the housing, 855 pesos. Okay, so let's do some work. I'm gonna give this to Jem, and maybe she wants to install somewhere. I don't know. Okay, this is for the door, but don't drill too big. Just because here it's plastic. It's not very strong, so you don't want the hole to be too big. Okay. Oh, dirty! Jesus Christ! Go!
Come here. Come on. Come on.
Okay. We finish it with a screwdriver. Okay, we're back here. I had to fix a few things here and there. Nothing really major, and I used a new paint which seems to be much better. I did this the other day, and they're really holding very well, and yeah, I like it. I don't know, I feel it's better than the white one. So anyway, so that's why I did a bit of a fix here and there. So that's it, ready to tile. So I'm trying with this one first, see how. I don't want to put against, it's not a good idea, because by the time you get there, it could be like this, you know. So I want to start somewhere in the middle. It says you should leave at least 6 inches on either side. So if I put it here, say roughly. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. So I need to put a little bit closer over here. Okay. Maybe for the first column, we may yeah, that's okay. Yeah, it's pretty straight, so it's good. It's good. Okay, one done. 400 to go. Okay, lunchtime anyway. They will work it out and see how we're gonna do to put the next with a certain gap. That's it. Okay, back to this job. So what I'm going to do is to put the next one. See, I got the line here, which is level, and to put the next one, I put a mark here, as you can see. So this is going to be my gap between tiles. It's about 4 millimeters. So what I'll do is I put this here. Next time I put the next tile, I put this here, and I know how I can put the next tile against the lever, and then now I know I can put the tile against the level, and I know where exactly to position. That will be square, and that's it. And keep your eye on this. It's important that I get this right. Okay, let's see how we go with the next one. This is fun. Let's build it first. I try to get the angle of the pattern the same everywhere. Wish me good luck, because if this works well, then should be no problem. Alright. Not shake it too much. Ah. Not the best, but we'll clean after. Next. Okay, to mark this hole for next time.
What here?
Okay, so once it's done, I just put an arrow on the top, and this is the wall. So I keep this somewhere. The good thing is that I still got a big chunk for the floor, so it's good. You don't want small bits, it's got to be at least 6 inch. That's perfect. Okay, so far so good. Just the last one a little bit out of what you can see on the right side. There's a bit more gap than, anyways, a shower, I guess, but yeah, I've learned it. So that's pretty good. Okay, I think I did well to put a gap for the grout. False grout. I think it's looking good. I hope it's still there. I hope it doesn't come off. Let's keep going. I think the hardest part is to put the first line down like that. Nice and square. And then the rest just by eye, really. So see, I've done those two without the label actually. I just checked after, but I didn't use the label. Barely, I couldn't. So it's good. Let's continue. Okay guys, that's it. I know I made a couple of mistakes. They should be facing oriented the same way, but I got 1, 2, 3 tiles the wrong way. I'm learning. This is all behind the shower most, so we won't see much. But I need to be very careful for the next walls. So I'm supposed to paint the floor tonight, but I'm not gonna do that. Too tired. Do that tomorrow. But so far, so good. Okay, so you see that bathroom. It's taking shape. Very tiring, put those things. But I'm happy it's not as hard as I thought. If you put a bit of a thought before starting, I'll show you how I start the first column. I've been thinking about it for a while, and I think that was the right way. Worked out pretty well. Okay, more to do tomorrow. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. With the girl sleeping. Mommy busy up there. She likes the bathroom. She screams when she saw